Well, so we invite other high schools from Spain to join Padlet and Africa Hugs so that they may learn different things about other countries. Yeah.
And even hear their opinion about us, what they think of us, and how they think we can change somehow our lifestyle or something like that.
If you will bring in poetry or music, it releases them, it unleashes them, so they're able to be themselves. They learn to be confident, and after gaining confidence, it's easy for them to perform in class.
Africa Hugs together with Padlet, it was a great experience because we had the time to interact with the students from Finland, and this was a learning experience because we got the chance to just learn from each other about what's happening there and what's happening in Botswana.
I think the educational project Africa Hugs together with the Padlet is good because we get a chance to talk to people we don't know, good relationship between us and them, and it's good because we make friends from new countries.
Don't hesitate the chance that you have, utilize it, because many people have had their dreams, then they get encouraged because they don't believe in themselves. I can just say, believe in yourself, you can achieve your dream.
Son, daughter of the soil, rich in texture and content, full of potential for a better tomorrow. That stanza,
Mostly in Africa, a girl child is considered to be unable, to be unwilling, and this poem made me feel like somebody. It made me feel like I could achieve something in life, that I could be the best if I believe in myself, regardless of my status or background. All that is needed is self-belief and self-confidence in me to pursue my dreams.
I think Africa Hugs is a very good initiative that connects the African countries, especially that individual child with the other child in European countries. Through African Hugs, we have seen it that it's possible for students from different continents and even different backgrounds to be together, to have a sitting through programs like Padlet, through that initiative, through Padlet in internet conversations. In terms of students knowing each other, understanding the cultures, and at the same time working towards a better future and a better world.